Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add an aesthetic blue coloring for your edits in CapCut. So first, just import your clips and then go to filter, and after that select the orange blue filter under the night scene category. Okay, this one, and adjust it to 100. Then click on adjust and set the brightness into -5, contrast 10, saturation and also sharpen 10, and then click on the HSL. Now on the orange color, set the hue into -20 and then the saturation 10. Then click on the light blue color, set the hue into 60, saturation 15, and then luminance -25. And then go back, click on the highlight 10, shadow -5, temperature also -5. Lastly, click on the hue and increase it to 5. Then you are done, and here is the final result for the aesthetic blue coloring. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you next time.